In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Salesforce email address. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, so you can update the email connected to your Salesforce account and make sure the change is fully confirmed. This is a simple update, but it's important to complete the verification step at the end, otherwise your new email may not become active. To begin, log into your Salesforce account. Once you're on the main Salesforce screen, look to the upper right corner and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with account-related options. From that menu, select Settings. After the Settings area opens, move to the left sidebar and find My Personal Information. Click that section to expand it if needed, then choose Personal Information. This is where Salesforce stores the main details associated with your user profile. On the Personal Information page, click Edit to make changes. You'll now be able to update your details. Find the email field and enter the new email address you want to use for your Salesforce account. Before saving, take a moment to review any other information on the page in case there's anything else you'd like to update while you're here. When everything looks correct, click Save. At this point, the change has been submitted, but there's still one important step left. Salesforce typically requires you to verify the new email address before the update is finalized. Now go to the inbox for the new email address you entered. Look for the verification email sent by Salesforce. If you don't see it right away, it's a good idea to check your spam, junk, or promotions folder as well, since automated emails can sometimes end up there. Open the verification email and click the verification link provided. Depending on your setup, Salesforce may ask you to sign in again to confirm the request. If prompted, just log in and continue with the verification. Once that verification is complete, your Salesforce email address will be officially updated. That means future account-related notifications and communications should go to the new address you entered. If you're making this change for security or account management reasons, it's also a good idea to make sure you still have access to that new inbox going forward, since important account messages may be sent there. And that's it. That's how to change your Salesforce email address quickly and correctly.